Hello, today I'd love to show you La Geria Hotel, which has been fully refurbished. It's in Puerto Del Carmen in Lanzarote and is situated right on the beachfront. And I'll be letting you know how much I paid per night, and I did get a very good bargain. I'll be jumping straight in to show you my room, then the bar and pool, the beach, the restaurant and food, and as usual give my thoughts as we go along.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
So I had an excellent check-in, really friendly and really welcoming. On this trip I was travelling on my own and I booked bed, breakfast and evening meal, and I also requested a mattress topper, which a lot of good hotels will provide if you ask in advance. The cheapest room option that was available was one with 3 single beds, and although there was only me travelling, I thought it would be fine and it worked out a lot cheaper. But as it was, they gave me this double room, which was very beautiful, and as you'll see there, the bed on the right's raised up with a mattress topper. The room was stunning and absolutely spotlessly clean. Within the room there's tea and coffee making facilities, but unfortunately they don't provide tea bags. You have to bring your own, or water for that matter. That's my water that I brought up. On discussing it with reception, they said that they've cut back on things like this. The bathroom, for instance, has no extras like shower caps or little soaps or razors or toothpaste or anything, and if you do need those things you're supposed to ask them for it, which is, I think, a bit annoying really. When I arrive at a hotel, the first thing I want to do is make myself a drink of tea or coffee or whatever, and it's just not possible when you arrive in this hotel. However, for what it lacks in tea bags, it more than makes up for in the most comfy bed imaginable. It's a beautifully comfy bed, and it was the same at the other Hipotel Natura Palace that I stayed in. The beds are amazing. The wardrobes are spacious enough, and inside the wardrobe you'll find the hairdryer, which they don't leave in the bathroom. Inside the wardrobe is the safe, which is free. You just input your own code. And can anyone tell me what these trays are for in the wardrobe? Anyway, the bathroom. The bathroom was absolutely spotlessly clean. The sink I loved. It was covered in this sort of vinyl-y type material, and every surface in the bathroom gleamed. These are the hand washes, etc. that you get within the room. There's a walk-in shower in the bathroom and it was excellent. It was a good size and the shower was very powerful. So how much did I pay for this room? I think I got a really good deal actually for the quality of hotel. It cost me £100 exactly for bed, breakfast and evening meal. Usually I think it's a lot more than that, but I did pick the cheapest room that was available. There's beautiful views from the balcony, which is a nice size. You can see right over the pool and out to the sea. The higher up you are in the hotel, the better views you will get of the sea and the pool. The only issue is there's not much privacy. For example, there's glass sides on the side of the balcony, and when I walked to the side and I turned to look at the neighbour's balcony, and I could see directly into their room and I could see their entire bed, and vice versa. So draw the net curtains if you want your privacy. Right, I'm going to head out of my room now and down to take a look at the pool and all the areas in the hotel. Come along. And I've just locked myself out of my room and left the key in there, down to reception. So having sorted the key out, here we are in the bar section of the hotel. You can pause the video if you want to see the drinks menu. Beers are £2.95, ciders £4.25, a glass of sangria £4.90, a pitcher of sangria £14.80. And in front of me now is the beautiful restaurant, again all very brand spanking new and clean, and I'll be taking you in at mealtime to see what the food's like. So now let's take a look at the pool and Paseos Beach. It's not the sunniest of days, but hopefully it will give you a fair idea of how it all looks. The bar's situated next to the pool, and there's a selection of very fresh looking sandwiches and snacks available. To get to the pool area, you just walk through the bar, and out at the back is the pool that stretches right down to the beach. There are loads of sunbeds around the pool, and although it's not a sunny day, it's still warm enough to sit out, and it's mid-December. If you want to know what the weather's like in December, you can check out my other video, Woman vs Kalima, which will tell you more about the weather. There are 240 rooms in this hotel, compared to 269 rooms at Natura Palace, which is owned by the same hotel group but is in Playa Blanca. And it would seem, I think there's a sunbed for absolutely every single person here. So from this hotel you've got really excellent access to an excellent beach, which you can see just behind the railings here. There's a locked gate that you can open with your hotel room key to go straight across the road and onto Paseos Beach. Today it's a bit dull, so it's not showing the beach in its best light, but I hope you get an idea of what it's like. And traffic doesn't always stop for you going across the road, so be careful. If you turn left here, it will take you to Matagorda. It's around a 10-minute walk. And if you turn right, you'll be walking towards Puerto Del Carmen. And if you want to walk all the way to Playa Grande in Puerto Del Carmen, it's about 50 minutes. So I'm back in my room after a relax, and now I'm off to have a bit of dinner. Dinner starts at 6, finishes at 9, so let's go and take a look at some of the food. There was a small queue at 6 o'clock to enter, and an extremely warm welcome from the staff in the restaurant. Overall, the selection of the food was excellent. There was a big variety, as you would expect. The restaurant was spotlessly clean. The show cooking was the best I've tasted, actually. I had fried turkey steak, and it was cooked to perfection. Well done, that chef, it was lovely. And there we have the said show cooking with the turkey steaks, and also you've got some sea bass there, ox liver, and also the turkey steaks and some chicken kebabs, I think that was. Oh no, they were pork kebabs. So well done, that lady. She did a good job. One thing that I didn't expect was that people didn't tend to stay around and enjoy their meal and drink leisurely. They just seemed to eat and go. There was no sitting around and relaxing. I'm not quite sure why, really. There was an excellent selection of desserts. There was one gluten-free option, though if you do contact the hotel before you come, they will provide you with some extra gluten-free items. And that is the face of the manager of the restaurant, who was a bit of a character. So it's Saturday evening. After a bit of a relax, I'm off to a show. showing the hotel. We'll see how that is.
The only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love?
So I've just come back from breakfast, so I thought I'd let you know how it went. There was a few hiccups, to put it mildly. I'm gluten-free, not by choice, but by necessity. And unfortunately, things went wrong along that line. I asked for some gluten-free bread and they brought me a baguette. And they're usually long life products in hotels, so they microwaved it, but it was hardened. It was like a dangerous weapon. They said, oh, we'll bring you some gluten-free toast, which they did. And it was burnt to a cinder. I had 2 pieces of gluten-free toast and a chocolate bun, which I don't eat. And I had to leave the toast. I was a bit miffed. I've got over it now. The rest of the breakfast was fine. If you're not gluten-free, there was bacon, eggs, cold meats, cheeses. I've noticed that only 2% of you are subscribed, so please help me out by subscribing. It's free. Just click the button below. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and learned a lot about the new refurbished La Geria Hotel. Just click the button below. Oh, click the button below.